Hello everyone and welcome back to Matchbox Memories. First of all, I want to thank everyone for subscribing. I finally got to 1,000 subscribers, which took a few years, but I'm so happy to get there. Today we're going to look at this Working Rigs 4-pack, which retails for about 40 Canadian on Amazon. I actually found it for about 10 US on an online streaming site, which was a great deal, and I couldn't say no to it. So I'm going to take this opportunity to look at the vehicles inside of here. This does have a 2021 Mattel license, as you can see, and then also have a look at some of the other working rigs that I have in my collection. So without any further ado, there's the box, and we will open this up and have a look and see what's inside of it. So I've just opened it up, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Comes with a plastic case. Let's get out of the box and let's have a look at these vehicles. Let's have a look at these vehicles. This is the first one up. So I did go online and have a look at what the official scale of these vehicles are, and there's no official scale. It just says it is similar scale to the 1/64 scale vehicles. I'll let you guys be the judge of it just for comparison's sake. Let me get a 1/64, suppose at 1/64 Matchbox vehicle. Doesn't look too bad. So maybe they are 1/64 or close to 1/64. Anyways, there it is, and let's have a look at this particular vehicle. So first of all, what is it called? It is Attenuator truck. Doesn't appear to be licensed. Oh no, it is. GMC, General Motors Company. MBX Country. You actually had to attach this plastic part, which tells cars where to go. It says lanes closed, and then you see the arrow. This one's a moving part. Good little vehicle. Quite like these vehicles. They're nice when you mix different scenes with your vehicles. They look great in the background. So there's the first one. Next we have some sort of I'm going to call this farm equipment. It's called the MBX Road Grader. It's a moving part there. Oh, so it's not a farm. I don't think it's farm equipment. It looks like something they would use when they build roads. But don't trust me, guys. I'm not an expert on farm equipment. Nice little piece. I mean, not sure it's the sort of thing I would personally collect, but if you were into this sort of vehicle, it does look very, very well designed. And it does roll, not the best rolling, but it's quite squeaky, as you can see. And here. Anyway, that's the second vehicle. I'm not going to spend too much time on this video, guys. This is the third vehicle. It's some sort of a cement mixer. It says King Concrete. Cement King HD is the official title. Looks like it's another unlicensed vehicle. Moving part, the barrel rolls. That's where the cement pours out of. There it is. And then my favorite, I love this Ranec line. I do collect them in the main line, and I did have an old version of this that I bought online. It looks like this one's got some damage to it, some sun damage. You can see that this one's pure white, this one's sort of off-white. Looks like it's been damaged in the sun. Can't tell if these are from different lines or if this one's just been... I tried to look at the back and look for a manufacturing date, but I don't see one on this particular vehicle. It just says 2009 Crane on it. So look at the new one, see if it's any different. Okay, so this one might be different. So this one does say S07, definite manufacturing year and week on there. I'm not seeing any other differences, to be honest with you. The livery looks like it's fairly similar. Yeah, it's all very similar. Let's have a look at the new one. So it's got a bunch of moving parts. And then I think... Oh no, this doesn't extend. So this is not a moving part, it's just this piece that goes up and down. It extends out, holds its position, and then of course it rotates as well. So quite a nice moving part. This is going to look amazing next to some of my other Ranec vehicles, which is a Matchbox licensed brand. It's in-house to Matchbox. It's pretty typical. And then I do have another working rigs that also has that Ranec livery on it. And this particular vehicle is called the Road Scrapper. Quite like it. Also added it to my collection this year. It looks quite good if you ask me. Alright, so moving right along, guys. Just want to look at some of these fire trucks that are also part of the Working Rigs collection that I've added to my collection. This one looks like it is a licensed fire department. If I'm reading that correctly, it says something County Fire Department. Let's see if I can read that. It actually says Bernalillo County Fire Department. So licensed fire department. The fire truck itself is a Pierce, so it's a licensed fire truck. 75 aerial ladder truck. Just really, really nice. Actually bought this one loose, so I don't know what the actual packaging looks like, but absolutely a working rig. Here's another fire truck. This one is also Pierce, so also it says Pierce Velocity, so also a licensed fire truck. 100-foot aerial platform. Also has a similar working or moving part that also should extend. I'm not going to spend too much on it, and this sort of bends as well. You can see, you can sort of. So look at the livery on this. It says first response ladder. Jensen, New York. Water Fire Department. Is that water? What does that say there? You know you're getting old when you can't read anything without taking your glasses off. So sorry, it says Volunteer Fire Department. That makes way more sense. So Jensen Fire Rescue. And Jensen, New York Volunteer Fire Department. Look at the detailing. Beautiful chrome on there. Absolutely beautiful. Love the color scheme on this. Doesn't necessarily go over the windscreen. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful. And then the last of the fire trucks. Sorry, my camera's really struggling to focus in today for whatever reason. And this one says San Diego Fire Department. So all 3 licensed fire stations, which is definitely a bonus. Once again, bought this one loose. Another Pierce fire truck. And just amazing. So once again, extendable ladder. Good details. I think it's exactly the same fire truck as the yellow one. I just love collecting these. I think they're just absolutely fantastic. All right, I'm going to have a look at a few other vehicles that I do have from the working rigs line. There is this MAN truck, which is a licensed brand. It's quite nice. I added the cow, which has fallen, and there's some hay that it sort of. This is the moving part on it. It does stay up, which is nice. I can't remember if the sides do come off. Look at that. Snaps back on. And that's the same for the other side as well. I'm not going to open it up right this second. I'm not sure what the exact name of this truck is, but it is licensed. It is a MAN brand truck. And then we have this excavator, which is really, really nice as well. It's one of my favorite moving rigs, probably my favorite moving rig. Beautiful, lots of extensions. The bucket moves. So the bucket doesn't move, but the arm moves. Look at that. Very, very nice. Quite heavy. It's got metal base on it. Tracks that actually move. Not the best, but it does move. You've got to put a bit of effort into it. And this one, of course, is National Park, so it's themed. I do collect National Parks vehicles. We have seen this before. And there that is. And then 2 more that I want to show you guys. We looked at this quite recently, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. This one is that police tactical vehicle. It's called E1 Mobile Command Vehicle. Once again, I think this is a licensed vehicle. It's got a bunch of moving parts. These sides do move in and out. I'm not going to do it right now, just in the interest of time, because I'm trying to keep these videos quite short. But there it is. This one's quite hard to get. It's part of a play set. And then finally another, what is this, a crane of some sort? It's called a crane again. It's exactly the same vehicle as the Ranec crane that we just saw with different livery. And anyway, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just something new. I do enjoy collecting these vehicles. They appear to be a similar scale to the 164 vehicles. To me, they do look a little bit bigger than that, but according to the official websites, that's what they are aiming to accomplish by making these vehicles similar scale to the main lines. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, so please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the like button on YouTube.